Hi, this is Dan Purtell. I'm one of the attorneys at Wilson Law Group. Wanted to take a few minutes and talk with you about what to expect as you might decide to reach out and start the process of doing your estate planning. The first thing that we want you to know is that all of the meetings that we do on the front end are complimentary. We want to offer that time to you so that you have the ability to not be worried about cost at that point. And really the only thing that we require to take advantage of that complimentary meeting is that we would send you either a paper client confidential disclosure, or we could have you fill that out online. And what the client confidential disclosure is, it's a place where you can list your goals, the basics about your family and your finances. And what it allows us to do on our end is to receive that ahead of your meeting so that we can be as prepared as possible, so that when you come in, we can cut right to the chase and make sure that we're discussing the things that are important to you. So that initial consultation will take as much time as we need. It's even possible that we would have follow-up meetings that would also be complimentary. At that meeting, what we're going to do is number one, we're going to listen to you. We want to learn more about your family. We want to learn more about your goals and your wishes and your dreams and the things that you're concerned about. As we work through that meeting, really the role of the attorney as we work through this is to start the process of coming up with some solutions for some of the issues that you have. And as we work through those solutions, we will propose several different options. Could be a will-based plan, could be a trust-based plan. There's a lot of different aspects of good estate planning. And the nice thing about that meeting is by the time we get done with that meeting, you will know exactly down to the penny what we're going to charge for different types of work. So all of our work on the front end with estate planning is flat fee. And so there's no hidden costs, and you're not going to have to be concerned about looking at the clock as you deal with our attorneys. When we get to the point of getting that plan in place, we would be setting a date out probably about a month from that initial meeting. And at that meeting, what we're going to be doing is having everything ready to go. We're going to go through a full explanation with you. Yes, at that point, you would be signing legal documents. And the other part, especially with trust planning, that is so important is making sure that the funding of the trust is done thoroughly. We take a lot of pride in the fact that we assist our clients in making sure that everything is either coordinated with their trust or actually placed into their trust. And we actually develop something called the trust financial statement, which helps you track things on the front end and then as you go forward. Finally, after the plan is in place, the thing that makes us very much different from many of the other firms that we see out there is that we offer what is called a trust maintenance program for those trust clients that are going to go forward with us. We give you 1 year complimentary in that program, and what it allows you to do is to come to some educational programs, bring your children into programs so they can learn more about what the planning does and if they're successor trustees. We offer a service called Legal Vault, which allows you to have online access to your documents and access if there's an emergency. We do regular reviews, whether it's of the legal documents or the funding. And really the big picture on that maintenance program, the Our Way program, is that we maintain relationships with all of our clients going forward. So if you'd like to sit down with one of us, if you'd like to take advantage of doing an online Zoom meeting or some other way where we can have a phone conference, simply call our office, email our office. We're more than happy to set up that meeting as soon as possible, and we look forward to meeting you and your family.